How to log into National Health Service NHS Employee Login Portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The National Health Service is the publicly funded healthcare system in England and one of the 4 national health services system in the United Kingdom. If you are the employee of National Health Service and you want to log into your account, you simply want to open up any web browser and search for NHS Employee Login. Then click on this website, which is ESR Hub for NHS Electronic Staff Record. Here you want to click on the option of Log into ESR. Once you click on this option on the login portal, enter your username, then enter your password. After you have entered both the details, you want to click on the login option. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your account. If you face any difficulty, such as you have forgotten your username or password, click on this blue link. That is going to redirect you to this page. On this page, you want to enter your email. After that, enter your date of birth. Then enter your username. You're only required to enter your username if you have more than one NHS employer and wish to reset a specific account. Now click on the submit button. After that, you want to follow the on-screen prompts and then you will be able to recover your username or password or unlock your account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.